So the two players ready for the big kickoff. Led by the big man himself.
For Accra Sofo.
And we are underway live at the stadium. Sofo kicking us off. It is a goalie. Play should go on, and so play does go on.
And we're going to have a lot of this, Benghazi. He was right in front of referee Reginald, and I'm sure he knows what he's doing. We need calmness in this game, and trust me, Kotoko putting their passes together and getting applause from the fans here. Let's see how it goes, Benghazi.
Alongside Albert Tamwa for the Warriors. Goalkeeper Shuab Sharif. He will locate his man, Kunedu Iyadom. Into midfield now he goes. Raphael Amponsa. The phobia taking their time on the ball. Kelvin Osai Esibe, the captain. He looks up. That's a beautiful ball. In full. A chance for Hasselhoff already. And Kamara comes out and clears his lines.
The clear tactics of Coach Masudi Dramani and Hamza Issa was a set here. It is a time to make memories. It is a time to create history.
A good one into the box. Headed on a chance for Hasselhoff. This will be a goal, and goalie comes out. And Kamara with a beautiful save. Another chance for Hasselhoff. But Kamara Mohammed in goal for the Fort Pablos team. Coming out in time and saving it from the foot of Hasselhoff's.
They needed calmness that they need. But again, Hasselhoff has shown that the long balls will come into play in this game.
A long ball into the Hasselhoff half, and the Phobians regain the possession of the ball again. Ball into the Kotoko half. Every says play should go on, and that's go on. Kotoko with him on entry in midfield. That was a beautiful play from him. He locates his man on the left side. Aqua Francis back to entry. Entry with a diagonal pass across, looking for the run of his man Lord Amwa. Get the ball to Lord, but the linesman's flag has gone up. He's been brought down for this play to go on. And that's go on. On the ball now for Kotoko is Esiedu. Good ball in field, onside. Pampoko on the ball now. Pass is good now. Amwa with a chance. Linesman flag is anyway up for offside. Esiedu's pass is poor. And Kotoko will lose out on that attack. It's Hasselhoff now. Counter is on for Hasselhoff. On the ball now for the Pablo side of the Phobians. Mauliwayo. Cross comes to the chance. Oh my goodness. He rolls one down to midfield now. He locates his man, Raphael Amponsa. Good ball in field from Wayo. Wayo gets the ball to his man on the ball now for Hasselhoff. Percy Asma. Asma on the ball still. He goes in field. He finds his man again now. Hussein with a shot. So Hasselhoff Kotoko will take over now on the left side. Seth Kojo looks for Zakaria, his teammate, and the clearance comes from Zakaria into the Hasselhoff half now. Kunedu Iyadom. He loses out now. Pampoko on the ball. Kotoko shoots one and off targeting. Long ball to the Kotoko's half, headed out though by Zakaria Fuseni. Entry Emmanuel, who locates his colleague. Can this be the first goal for the Phobian club? It will be an in-swing guy, comes in a good one, and it's been saved. Flicked over the cross. Throw in for Kotoko. On the ball for the Pablo side. Kojo sets. He goes behind his free kick. But I've got men in the box to look for. It comes in a good one. Headed on.
But trust me, it was a good one. And both teams warming up gradually into the game, Ben.
The Phobians will respond. On the right side, they go now. Mawule Wayo on the ball now for Hasselhoff. Can they get a movement? Cross comes on a good one. Ball drops. It's a goal. Brilliant connection after Kamara.
Giving gifts. And the first gift has been given to Hamza Issa on the silver plate. All he needed to do was poke it into the net.
He joined them from their junior team, Aroras. Got the opening goal here. Going to the area, a chance again for Hasselhoff and Kunedu Iyadom's connection.
I told you off air that confidence is just like ketchup. When it opens, you need to be very, very calm. He spilled that ball again. Trust me, if there was a Phobian lurking there, would have seen another goal.
Kotoko trying to attack, but ball has been cleared.
Time the ball is found, you'd see a player of Accra Sofo there. Kotoko would need to have your game.
Good ball over the top now. On the ball now is the big man himself. Albert Tamwa with a chance. He shoots one. And it's been...
The reason why they would still be at their various clubs next season. So I'm saying that, see, Kotoko have shown good comeback this season. They have been one of the clubs who have gone to go down this season and come back strongly to go on to win. So let's see how it turns out.
Let's see if the Fabulous team can respond. We've done just under 2 minutes of action in the second half, and it still remains Hearts of Folk 1, Kotoko 0. Kotoko with a run. Peter Amidou, who has switched flanks again to the left side for the Fabulous team. Back O'Neill, always very composed on the ball. O'Neill back on the ball again. He now finds his man in midfield in Set Kwejo, trying to locate a run from some distance though. But looks as though he'll go for a direct shot. Will he? He does so. A good one! Hits the upright. Chance to Kotoko, shot comes in. It drops. Chance to shot comes in, and was a glorious chance for Amwa. Look at it again. Shot
would have been the equalizer, but Amwa had one simple task to just lay that ball into the net.
And Kotoko come again now through Amidou. Cross comes in, a goal! It is a goal! It was only to his own net. So look at it again. Amidou on a run into the box, and the cross came in, and
that Kumasi Asante Kotoko have been one of the teams with the most comebacks in the Ghana Premier League this season, and right from the blast of the whistle, they've shown good, a chance, a shot, has a
goal! In 2 minutes for Kotoko. What a control there by Kampoku. It dropped. Credit Adams cross to Amwa, and beautiful cutback and a finish
of Kelvin Osesibe, and well, a chance for Hearts of Folk Benghazi.
Has attacking again now. Cross comes in, a good chance, and the ball be cleared though by the Fabulous team. Pass again will come. Kakari on the ball now. He finds Kredu Yadom. Yadom goes in for the chance still, but ball cleared now. Hamza, but the attack will break down, and Kotoko take over again now. Good pass in full now to Amidou. Amidou on the ball for Kotoko. Amidou on the ball still. Amidou shoots. Though Lord Amwa. Amwa will find a man in midfield. Entry Emmanuel. He's just fantastic with his passing game. He gets the ball to Albert Amwa on the right side. Albert on the ball still. He has 3 men around him, and so he will lose out. Kunedu Yadom gets the ball for 4-1 from Kunedu Yadom. Gives the ball away now. Kotoko on the ball. Chance for Kotoko. Ball in the area still though. This will be a chance. The ball has been cleared now. Kotoko again. Amidou a chance still. Missed terribly by Kotoko. Look at it again. Free header. And the Fulham take over the ball now. Hearts of Folk trying to initiate an attack. On the ball, the goal scorer for Hearts of Folk. Hamza Issa. Good ball infield. And ball be cleared though by Zakara Husseini. With a clearance into the Kotoko half. Flicked on beautifully. And on the ball now for the Fulham club is Hamza. Hamza on the ball still. He goes off one man easily. Hamza goes in full now. Shot comes in. The ball has been blocked. Obviously, space to go on, and play that's gone. Entry on the ball now for Kotoko. Entry control the ball. He finds Lord Amwa on the right side. Amwa on the ball now. He goes in field. Challenged and brought down. Peter Amidou. He finds Emmanuel Entry. Entry with a good pass. Amwa is onside. Cross comes a chance, but he could not make it. Look at that. Look at that. Ball headed though. Has to work again now. Runs for Mensah. Good ball to Kakari now. Chance for Kakari. Goes in full now. Chance for Kakari. It's a goal. But the linesman flag is up for offside. Kakari with a chance. Let's see the replay. One past his man. And the cross came in. He was clearly offside.
He was offside, Benghazi.
He was full now is the man, Raphael Amponsa. To the right side now he goes. Kakari Martin. Martin goes in full again now for Hearts of Folk. Kakari on the ball still. Can he go past his man? No, he can't. Ball cleared. Referee don't blow for an infringement for Hearts of Folk. Kick for Hearts of Folk. Kakari goes in. And a beautiful save to the goal for Hearts of Folk. The Phobians with the ball in the half now. Cleared and long one in there from goalkeeper Sharif, headed out by Zakara Husseini, out for throw-in for Hearts of Folk. Picked up ball by Amankwa. He finds Kakari, goes in for good ball from him now. Shot comes in, is in block. Referee says what? Penalty. Referee has blown again now. Shot coming in. And Imara will it be the leveler here? He goes in, he shoots, it is saved. What a miss from.
He's up on his feet, but it was a poor kick from Amankwa. Goalkeeper Kamara decided.
Ransford Mensah, he goes in full. Pass is good. Controlled beautifully by this man. He goes down. Referee says play should go on. Ball will be cleared by the Fabulous team. But straight to Kakari Martin. Kakari with a shot.
But for now, Kamara will take a very, very long
one from Kamara. Flicked on by Yaya. I guess the ball to his man, Peter Amedu, who I'm told has been named the MVP for the game today. And referee has blown for the end of the game here. It is all over the Crossport Stadium.
The champions, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the 2025 winners of. On your screens currently, we have the regional minister for for the Ashanti region. He has promised them. And listen, this is the moment. I will need to call some of the players. Have you received your dollars? What is the story going to be like?
Of course. He's going to deliver.
Yeah. So there you have it. This is the moment, Eric. This is the moment every player wishes to have. This is the moment every player has been crying for. Champion. Have the bonfire there.
And even the distance becomes more shorter.
Yeah.
But when you lose